Okay, this is K4 training. Sit. 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 Good girl. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. Stand. It's yourself. Good girl. Roll over. Roll over. Drink. 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 Play dead. Play dead. Stand.
All right, we have to go.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. She's rolling.
Okay. So what we're teaching Katie is the come command, right? And also to come and sit. So jumping up on me doesn't pay, sitting pays. If you were in a race, you would hear 1, 2, 3, and then go. And when they say 1, 2, 3, that's so you can move on go. That's how her name works. I'm going to say her name first, Katie, and I'm going to move on come, and then she learns to move on come. Katie, come. So I squatted. She wasn't sure what to do. I'm not sure why. But did you notice that when I squatted, she came running in? Crazy as it sounds, world dogs around the world know that person squatting means come. Without words. Try it again. Katie, come. I vote come. Come. And sit. Sit. Good girl, Katie. Good come. So now, like teaching them baby words, I'm starting to say the word as she does it. When you were a baby, somebody showed you an apple and said, apple. What is that, Griffin? It's an apple. And they said the word over and over until you learned it. So here we go again. I show her the reward. I motivate her. Katie. Well, if you do, it'll be fine.
Katie, come. Sit. Good sit. Good sit.
I don't think you could have done that better.
Thank you. There's one word. Katie. Come. Sit. Good girl. Good girl.
Good come, Katie. That was so good. Yeah, because we want Katie to love coming. Do you have enough treats?
I have 2 more.
Okay.
Katie, come. Come. Katie, good sit, girl.
And then she sat again for you as soon as you start praising her for sitting. Do you want to get one? You need her every time, isn't it?
Come. Sit. Good sit, Katie. Good sit.
You know what else, Griffin? Like right now, you have to think about everything, right? But in the beginning, when you first had to learn to ride a bike, you had to think about everything. But now you jump on the bike and you just ride. This would end up being like that for you too. Eventually, you've done it enough times that, man, you can just do it without even thinking.
Katie, come. Good come, Katie. Good sit, Katie.
You want to know about something else that I think is marvelous about the way you're doing it?
What?
What's marvelous is you're very expressive. A lot of kids would have got up there and just said, Katie, come, and been real shy and stuff like that. You picked up on the fact, because when I worked with her, I talked to her like we're going to do the greatest thing in the world. You picked up on that, and you're very expressive. When you work with her, you sound like you're having fun, which is going to make this fun for her.
Katie, come. Good, come, Katie. Good sit, Katie.
Woohoo!
Nice work.
Huh?
That's amazing.
She was just so much fun. She can't help it.
Katie, come. Good, come, Katie. Good sit, Katie.
Now I'm going to have you be a little bit more around. Around, Katie. You went around. Yeah. Katie, go around. Around. And sit. You need to sit. Sit. Good sit, Katie. Good sit. Katie, go around and sit. Good girl. So I'll do a time or two more, and then I'm going to show you something else. Katie, go around and sit. Sit. Sit, Katie. Good sit. So, no words. Easy. She follows my movements easy, right? But what if I tried words and no movement? Katie, go around. Around. That was unusual. She did. We'll see if she does that again. I'm letting her smell it. I'm inspiring her. Katie, go around. Around. Well, your dog may be a genius too, because most dogs don't do that. Usually if I try just words by themselves that fast, they just sit there and stare at me like I have no idea what you want. They understand the hand signal, but not the word. We're going to try it again. Sit. Sit. Good sit, Katie. Just say it. Katie, go around. Around. And sit. Wow. Wow. Unheard of, I promise. Katie, go around. 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 You went around, Katie. You went around. I'm surprised. I'm going to just show you a few things that I was doing. I made that look easy, right? But I've done it a couple thousand times. So, when I did it to the right, what I did was I had the food in my right hand when I wanted to end up on my right side, and the clicker was in my left. And then I was switching. Katie, go around. So I'm switching hands, and both hands have to be comfortable saying sit. Can you do that with both hands? Do sit, not that high. Just bend your elbow. Sit and sit. Like that. Yep, perfect. Again. Huh? Again. Perfect. Huh? Perfect. And this. Yep, and the other. Try. And the words are 3 words.
What are the 3?
Around. Katie.
Katie, go around.
And I would be very clear about all three words. Katie, go around. You want her to hear all three words. Remember my dogs? Look, go to your spot. So Katie, go around is the beginning of Katie, go to your spot. Okay. Cut the front in here.
It's okay.
Okay, so, yep, you got it. You guessed it. You did it perfect. Name.
Katie, go around.
And
That's it.
now you're going to put the food in the other hand. Great.
Katie, go around.
Hand signal.
And sit.
You could not have done it better. Switch, switch, switch. Yep.
Katie, go around.
Hand signal, sit.
That's it.
Yep. Perfect. You did it perfect.
I'm just not getting the right hand signal to.
It takes practice.
Okay.
It takes practice. Nobody does.
Katie, go around.
Hand signal, sit.
Sit.
Yep, it just
Try.
takes practice.
Do it without.
If you want, try it without words, without the food. I mean, without the hand signals, you could try. Sit down.
Katie, go around. Yeah, that's quite odd. Katie, go around. And sit.
So you want to try to click that in the moment she sits or in the moment you feed her.
Okay.
Because you're getting in a little bit of a habit of just clicking like it's something you're supposed to do. You got to pair it with either she did something right or you're feeding her.
Okay. To left.
Right? So it's one,
Katie,
one to the other.
Katie, go around.
Great. Pair it with a
And
sit.
sit.
Pair it. Okay, then you missed that one, so pair it with the food. Pair it.
Click.
Click,
Click.
click. Yeah. Pair it, I mean, and associate the two.
Okay. Katie,
The other hand, the other hand, the other hand, the other hand.
Switch
Okay.
your hands.
It's all right. Pair it with a sit. Perfect. And a feed. Good. Good.
Katie, good girl.
I think that's enough.
I do too.